Imagine discovering that your former tenant has moved out, but left behind a collection of their personal items. It is natural to wonder what your responsibilities are in this situation. Generally, no, a landlord cannot immediately dispose of abandoned belongings. There are specific legal procedures and timeframes you must follow, designed to protect both the tenant's property rights and the landlord's interests. The core reason behind this involves tenant property rights, which do not automatically terminate just because a lease ends or a tenant moves out. Each state has specific abandoned property laws, sometimes called unclaimed property statutes, that dictate exactly what a landlord must do. These laws ensure that former tenants have a reasonable opportunity to reclaim their possessions. Failing to follow these procedures can expose a landlord to legal liability, including potential lawsuits for property conversion or damages. So, how do you handle this process correctly? First, thoroughly document everything. Take clear photographs or video of all items left behind and create a detailed inventory list. Next, you must provide formal written notice to the former tenant. This notice should describe the abandoned property, state your intention to dispose of it if not claimed, and specify a reasonable deadline for retrieval, often between 15 and 30 days, depending on your local laws. It is crucial to send this notice via certified mail to their last known address, ensuring you have proof of delivery. During this notice period, you must store the property safely and securely, taking reasonable care to prevent damage or loss. An insider tip: some states have special provisions for property considered to be of very low value, sometimes referred to as de minimis property. For example, if the estimated value of the abandoned items is below a certain threshold, such as $700, some laws might allow for immediate disposal or donation without a public sale. Always check your specific state and local ordinances for these nuances. If the property's value exceeds this threshold and the tenant does not claim it, you might be required to sell it at a public auction, with specific rules about advertising the sale. By understanding and carefully following your state's abandoned property laws, you protect yourself from legal disputes and costly penalties. This meticulous approach provides a clear, compliant pathway for managing tenant property after a tenancy ends, offering peace of mind and demonstrating your professionalism as a landlord.